Okay, so let's see what's inside. Takes up almost the entire boot space of the Agya, but that's fine. I'll get that out, get that unboxed. Let's get that checked. See what is actually inside here. I believe interesting stuff in here. Let's put that in there safely. Whole bunch of stuff from WORX. Today is something a little bit different. In the boot of the Toyota Agya, I have a very special power washer that has been sent to me kindly enough by the guys over at Vermont, who import and distribute a whole lot of equipment, car care stuff, industrial equipment stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and see what it's all about. Let me get the batteries charged up. Let me read the manual so that we know exactly what we're doing when this thing fires up. And then on the nozzle itself, you can adjust the kind of stream strength, so the degrees that you would like from that. 0 degrees, I believe, up to 45 degrees. So as you would see, really nicely packaged. It feels like it's got some weight to it and that it's like really well built. So as you can see here, I'll just place it up there so you can have a look at it. Very important, very thick manual. You may want to hang on to that and read up on that, but I'd say that's one of the most important things. And then we get this guy opened up over here, get out the Hydro Shot itself, and you'll see very nice and sturdy, very nice and well built, a rubberized grip, which is handy when you're working, and a nice solid trigger mechanism. So it's got a bit of a safety catch here, so I think you press that in and then you can pull the trigger. As you can see, safety catch. And this is where you would put the pipes. You can actually connect this to a hose pipe, or you can use it on a bucket system. You can just pop the extender pipe that comes in the box, which we'll get out now, and you use this mobile wherever you are. As long as the battery is charged, the batteries go on the bottom here. It comes with a nice rechargeable battery pack, and you get the extension nozzle that goes in here to give you a bit of reach if you want to get into like the wheel wells of your car. If you have a boat, you want to get into some of the underneath, some of the parts that are harder to access and scrub. You put that brush on that I showed you earlier, and you can actually then scrub and agitate dirt away. Really handy. You can also have that applicator bottle, remember, so you can hook up the applicator bottle and get your foam out like they would at a car wash or someplace like that. So a really nice, really handy thing. So I'm just going to leave the power shot aside for now. See what else is in this box. So basically, when you get yours as well, you get the power shot accessories. There's most important one as well is your battery. Let me get that charged up and make sure you have some juice in there. It's a battery, the extension nozzle, as I talked about earlier, to get into the really nitty-gritty spots, and that's where you would connect that to the gun. You get the hose pipe, which you would either connect to your hose or to the bucket system. We'll see how that works. The angle jet washer thing that goes onto the front here, pop up and connect that up, and of course a massive charger for that battery, but much needed. So it's got a whole lot of indicators on there, tell you when your battery is ready and good to go. But very nice setup. I really like the setup on this power shot. Really keen to get it charged up and working. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it, charge it up, and also take with me the manual in there so that I can get acquainted with the manual and the battery, and the next time we fire this thing up, I will be assembling it and we will see how it works, if what the pressure is like and what sort of cleaning you can do, if it's actually worthwhile, worth an investment over some of the more expensive products out there. Water is coming out through the pipe, as you can see through the pipe. Water is coming out through the pipe. And here we go. Steam power, as you can see, blasting away some of the dirt. There you go. Nice and clean, as you can see.
As you see, everybody, the water comes out.